Okay, so the axle ends are not ruined. It's the driven yoke into the wheel. The wheel, you know, and I greased these damn things when I rotated the tires about a couple thousand miles ago when it was in the shop here and I was doing all that work to it. I can't believe this. Okay, here's carnage. Take it apart, go find some parts. So, you'll never guess what I'm doing. Yeah, that's right, fixing a wheel. Fixing a wheel. A wheel. Got it. Yo, man, still got it. Okay, so I don't know if I got a bubble there or not. I'm gonna have to check that, but she was going flat and this was the area that it was leaking. So rather than go on the outside there and try to fix it, I think it's better to come inside and do it. So this rod I'm using is called Polaris. It's a really good welding rod for welding stuff that has got alloy in it. Bends a lot. This has a super high elongation for it breaks, but it's tough. Machines like butter. So anyway, I'm gonna clean that up, see what we got here. Okay, I got some undercut right here, and I come up here and I had one little bit here. Other than that, I don't see any cracks. So I'm trying to decide whether I want to weld some more and finish filling this up or not. Jake just pulled in. Let's ask him. Let's ask Jake. What do you think? See any more cracking. Didn't really have any porosity. I'm just trying to decide whether to go over it some more and finish trying to fill it up some more. Just looking at that right there, trying to figure out if that's the rest of this.
Yeah, maybe you don't like.
Well, but this was all ground out. This is where I stopped right here. So
Went into this.
yeah, the pinhole back here, I don't know. Okay. One more time, kids. Let's see how well. See right there, I didn't get that full, but I got all this filled back up. Squirt some paint over it, keep it from rusting too bad. And then I hope like heck I ain't got any more leaks. So in here, I don't know if you can see my marks or not. I had them on there of where it was leaking. So put her together and see what I got. Okay, I got weld spatter all over my GoPro lens, so if you can't see, that's just the way it is. Sorry, kids. I've ruined it. So you want to weld stuff, you get out the good welder. The 50-year-old welder. That is a good welder. That's all messed up. Okay, you can see the marks I had there and the burnt paint. So that's where I had to weld it. That's where it was leaking. I put water, soapy water in there. She's not leaking anymore. So Jeff wins again. I'm at the graph. He's dog ass tired. He's been helping me. So I'm cleaning up this mess. Petey's full of scrap iron and junk. Anyway, I got to get this steel moved out of here so I can clean this off and get the cat up here and work on it. So I've been doing that. Fixed the grader wheel today. That's about it. See you tomorrow.